There are those that only notice when something stopped working, and those who already saw it coming.
Crank it up a little
I often
bit.
describe it as the difference between looking and truly seeing.
Okay, never mind.
You know, but
Stop.
but the problems of
Okay,
life
never
is not
mind.
people.
Stop.
People
Down.
gather in groups and they form systems that, bring on expectations and share ways of doing things. And
Keep going.
none of this is inherently
That's it.
wrong. It is simply how human
Crank
organizations
it back
work.
up.
But within those systems, there is another kind of individual, another kind of an attention.
Down.
And people who are not focused on approval or participation, but on how actually things behave. And they notice not only what works, but
Raise
what is
it.
beginning to fail long before it does. Now, we do not have a single clear name for them. We refer to them often as technicians and makers and engineers, and restorers, and even artisans. And these labels help partially. But let's call them artisans in their own right. That special person which you can't quite put your finger on.
Okay, raise it
What
up.
they share is not an identity, but a responsibility to the work. They deal with objects that do not respond to opinion. A machine, a structure, a mechanism, or a system of parts. These respond only to condition and correction. We can change parts, and the world has moved towards this. If a part is broken, change it. But to this individual, an object is never simply working or not. It is either within tolerance or it is not. It is measured against an ideal condition, but it is never found there in practice. And that condition is perfection. But perfection is an ideal. It's not a condition that exists in the real world. So the work is in constant adjustment between what is intended and what is actually present. But it is perfection that we strive for. The difference arises in how the world engages with that person. Most people use things. If it works, it's acceptable. If it fails, it is addressed at the point of failure. The deepest conditions, like wear, drift, or misalignment and loss of tolerances, are not part of that attention. Not through neglect and not because the use does not require it. It's because attention follows function. For those people who work with things at that capacity, these conditions are always present. Failure is not a moment, it is a progression. Repair is not only fixing what is broken, but correcting what was already moving out of alignment. And so a tension appears, not between people, but between care and indifference. Between what is seen early and what is only seen when it fails. One operates in immediate function, the other operates in long-term condition. And that describes that person. The work is not simply to fix things. It is to maintain awareness of what is happening before it becomes visible to everyone as broken. Because the world often asks for service at the point of failure, while the condition of the failure was already there, forming long before they had noticed. And this is where the work lives. In seeing the condition of things as they become, not only as they appear. And so the work is simple, even if it is not easy. What is seen early must still be tended to carefully, even when no one else sees it yet. Because everything that fails later was already visual to someone else earlier. That is the person. That is the one that most people misunderstand.
Okay, well, there's not much we can do here till Parks comes back.